In this video, I will show you how you can install Good Lock on your Samsung tablet, even if your tablet does not support Good Lock. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Galaxy Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now if your tablet supports Good Lock, you will find the option of Good Lock over here. From here, you can select Good Lock and you can install it on your tablet. But since our tablet does not support Good Lock, then just follow the next method. For that, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your tablet. After that, just tap on Open. Now from here, just tap on anywhere on the screen. Now from this page, just scroll down and look for the option of Good Lock. As you can see, this is the option for Good Lock. Now just tap on it and select Visit Find Lock homepage. Now on this page, just scroll down and look for the option of Good Lock. And after that, just tap on it. And on this page, just select Download. Now just select Download. And once this app is downloaded, just tap on Open. Select Install. Now if you go to your home screen and if you open the app drawer, as you can see, we have successfully installed Good Lock on our tablet. Just like that. And this is how you can install Good Lock on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.